Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit training, and we got our curtain walls in here. I think the customer is happy, but we're gonna have to make some modifications here, deal with code and all that kind of stuff. But for now, I want to show you how to create a family. I've done videos like this, but let's just do a quick review. So I'm gonna open this view here. And this is going to be our family parameters within the family environment. And it's just a series of reference planes. Now, I've made this video and I have the link. I'll put the link to it if you want it. You let me know. But this is the parameters. This is our front view. And then we're going to go look at our reference level. So these are okay. So you're going to want to copy those or get those for now, or you want to look at the video. If you understand how to make families, should be easy, straightforward. Okay, now I want to look at the family types here. So I'll just select this little icon here, and these are the types. We got the base parameter and whatever, and then we like to flex them to make sure they work. So basically, I would say let's do a height parameter here. Let's push this up another foot. Let's say 6 and apply, and then okay works. So I'll cancel that and undo that. So that works. So now we have our family reference plane. So then from that point on, then you'll come here, and I think I got that family I created. Nope, that's not it. I'm gonna cancel that. Okay. Now here you go. So this is our family complete, constructed, and we can have our different types. Now we don't have any material finishes on here, but we can add them. So I'm going to just put this into hidden line for now, because we can add things like materials, wood, or whatever, and everything. Now I'm just looking at this to do the families for now, because I just want to get this into the different types. So again, we go back here in the create tab, we look at the family types. So we have all these different types that we can adjust to and change. So I'm going to just cancel out of that. Now what I'm going to do with this guy, I'm going to window tile this. Okay. I don't need this anymore. So what I'm going to do here, I don't need this anymore. This is actually another file. We don't need this guy anymore. So we got this family constructed here. And what you want to do, simply, you want to load this family into our project that we've been working on. You need some shelving units. So we're going to say, okay, we're going to do these shelving units. So I'm going to go here and we're going to load this guy into this project. It's overwrite because I got one in here already, I think. Oh, geez. Okay. Wanted to show you this way. So here, what will happen in this case? Okay. Tell you what. Hang on one second. I want to do this right quick for this, because I want to load this in the right way. So here now I want to load this guy, this family that was created, or I created something before. I want to load this into this project. Okay, now there it is right there. So for now, let's place this, let's place it right here, or anywhere. Now, so we need to reverse that. So I can go into my plan view for this and go, I will go to my furniture level. I see it in there? Yeah, there it is right there. So I'm going to take this guy, I'm going to rotate it. So you get the picture of what's going on with this. Very simple. Turn that around. Or we could do, well, I'll show you that later in another video. So now we go back into our 3D view here. I didn't turn it around. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Yep, that's in fine. So let's just go. Now another thing you can do is this. So I'm going to go back into the family here. And I'm going to the reference level. And what I want to do, I want to go and I want to hit this control here, and I want to place it so that it goes that way. You know, place it right on the center point. And I want to load that back into the family, into the project. And I'll go into level 1, my furniture plan, and I should select it. I should see those 2 arrows, and there I do, and I'll just click it. And then that should be good. Yeah. Now another thing we can do here, I want to get this briefly. We can copy these. We can go into, say, what size is this? Go into our type properties here and select this. And it will give those parameters, the height, the width, and whatever, and so forth and so on. And then again here now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just copy another one. This is probably better to do in a plan view, in our furniture plan. So let's copy another one here. Let's say in this little architect office. Probably won't need a, actually maybe so. I'm going to take it here. Uh-oh, and I'm going to, oops, sorry. I'm going to rotate it. Rotate it. Now actually I could do those control points again, but for this we'll just rotate it 90. Uh-oh, gosh. Hit the space bar. Oh, can't hit the space bar for that one. What's going on here? Delete. Okay, undo that. Yeah, I'll just push this right here. So I hope everybody see what's going on here. We created a family, and what this family does. So we gotta place it in here, and I'm gonna just take it and I'm gonna edit this type. And what we do is duplicate. I've done this before, and we'll duplicate this, and we can say, for instance, we can adjust by height or depth or any of these parameters here. So let's go with a width. Let's go with a, just say bookcase, and that's a width 4 feet. Yeah, let's make it 4 feet. Then we'll have to select this and change it to 4 for the width. And we'll go OK. We'll apply here and OK. So there's a different type of shelving unit based on the one we had. We can make it taller or shorter. So for instance, let's go back into my level furniture and maybe, I don't know. We can do this as well. We can just go, I don't know where, I'll go down to my families in the project browser here. And, wow, what did I call that thing? I don't remember. Sorry, guys. Brain fart. What is this? Oh, furniture, barrister. Oh, so it should be in furniture. There it is. There it is. And there are the different types right there. So I got my 4. And then we can go in here, select this right click, and we can re-edit this, rename it, or you can do it in a whole new type. So we'll go here and we'll say we'll go with type. We got 4. Let's go with 6. 6H. So we'll make. Well, I want to go. Yeah, we can go with 6H, and that'll be 6 foot high here. And I select that there. And then I have to open this and change this height to 6 feet. So that's what a family is, and there's all the flexibility that you can have with it. So this guy is going to be 6 feet high. If we go back to that 3D view, where is it? That the one? Okay, I don't see it. But anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it here. I think you get, there it is. Yeah, that's it right there, is it? Nope, that's not it. But what I can do, I don't know where, oh, was that it? I lost it. Brain fart. Getting a lot of these lately, folks, but anyway, let me see. Okay, that's it right there. So that one is 6 feet high. And if I want to change to the 4, let's go look at this. Let's go in here. Let's select this to make sure. We got to edit type here. And width, height, 5. Okay, that's 5 feet. Let's make it 6. Apply. Okay. There you go. My bad. So hey everybody, thanks for watching. The next video we'll probably look at finishes and things like that. But that's how you make a family in your and add to your model. This is just shelving. I've got a lot of videos where I've done many more. So hey everybody, thanks for watching. Let me see here. There's our level furniture plan. I want to view tab. Okay. So we're gonna leave it there for this video. We've got our shelving units in, and then next we'll show how we'll go into this place and do the materials. We got some issues with, we need more wet areas. We got an issue with bathrooms because of occupancy and all that. But hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And let me see. Let me pull this little thing out again. Let me copy this out here. So this is our cabinet. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. There it is. Uh-oh. Sorry. Well, I know what's going on here. Section box. Let me just copy this over here. There you go. So that's our family, our cabinet family we created and we brought into this project. So, hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be safe and bye. Thanks for watching.